Guys, it has noises. This horrible noise, guys, if you have it, you see those. Welcome. And we have the car of the day. Guys, this is the 2024 Chevy Silverado crew cab, and what you're seeing right here is a black rack with mahogany body. Also has black wings with a tech stitch. This is a beautiful kit, customized with embroidery. And guys, I know it looks like crap right now, but wait until I finish this installation so you can see how beautiful this transformation is going to be. And guys, this one will fit the 2022 to 2025, the Chevy Silverado Crew Cab 1500, and also the double cab. And again, guys, if you want to take it to the next level, use your degree system, 3 levels of heating, 3 levels of cooling, all in one single switch, so you can always be cozy in your ride. And if that's too much for you guys, at least get your seat heaters if your vehicle is not equipped with it, so you can be warm on winter, guys. Let's take a look at the toy. And this is the beautiful 2024 1500 Silverado. And it's nothing wrong with this truck, guys. It actually has leather from factory, cooling and heating already installed in this truck. Beautiful interior, but guys, it's not 100% leather, or it doesn't have a lot of leather in it. It just have it in the inserts. Normally kids has more leather. This one is short on leather. Besides, the client doesn't like the style. So many of our clients, they bring their car just because they want to personalize or enhance the appearance of the car. So that's why we want to be installing this kit for this particular vehicle, to make it even more beautiful, because this is a beautiful vehicle, but the interior doesn't cut it for the client. We already removed the rear part because, guys, it has noises. This horrible noise, guys, if you have it, you see those vents right there. That's the reason of the flapping, and the customer has that concern. We already removed it so he can see what it was. I was actually surprised. It's the vents that create that noise. It's horrible, guys. I just want you to know that. We're gonna make a separate video just for that section so people will know. And that's what's going on right here, guys. So our thing is to make this more beautiful than what it is. And again, guys, you want this transformation in your vehicle, go to LeatherTeck.com by EM Upholstery Technology, so you can order a factory match, which is our low cost, or a custom design just like this one. We have over 60 different colors, endless combinations, contrast stitch piping, special editions, custom patterns like diamonds, double diamonds, hex, double hex, honeycomb, and many other, guys. We have exotics materials like ostrich, alligator, suede skin, you name it. We have them at LeatherTeck.com by emupholsterytechnology.com. Like and subscribe, guys, so you can see more transformations, techniques, and how to do the installation for your beautiful leather seats at LeatherTeck.com by emupholsterytechnology.com, because, guys, we are demystifying the installation process. It's not that difficult, and you can see it right there with the videos. And look forward for the video in this transformation for this beautiful kit that is gonna go in that beautiful toy, the 2024 Chevy Silverado 1500, and a beautiful interior it is. This was a custom order, guys, custom design. And remember, guys, you can get this for virtually any vehicle. Beautiful map packets. Over 60 different colors and combinations, all available at LeatherTeck.com by EM Upholstery Technology.com, guys. You want to do this transformation in your vehicle, guys. Get a factory match, custom design, or a special edition. Like and subscribe so you can see more transformations on how we do the installation for your beautiful leather seats at LeatherTeck.com by EM Upholstery Technology.com, because guys, we are demystifying the installation process. Is not that difficult, so you can get your beautiful leather seats. Thank you for watching, guys, and look forward for future projects so you can enjoy more transformations on leather by LeatherTeck.com and EM Upholstery Technology.com.